Tēnā rā koutou. Okay, so what I'm talking about today is the dance hour, and this is just a puff piece or a promo piece for it, and that is on between 12 and 1 today. And it's a bit of a departure because usually on the dance hour I have been having, it's only been going for 4 or 5 weeks, but it has been a feature of the show that I simply listen to other people for 2 segments of 10 minutes or so, and that has been very, very good. This week is a departure, and I'm not sure if it's all that good because it's just me. But I wanted to do that because I'd actually been quite involved in 2 things. One was the coordination, along with Linda Ashley, of an academic aspect to Kōwhiti Atare, held in the Wellington Opera House and at Te Papa Tongarewa last week, or the week before last, and also in the production of a book, Kōwhiti Atarau. Kōwhiti Dance is the name of the book, Kōwhiti Dance, a special collection, said collection being actually a replication of a collection on tekaharoa.com, the online publication of Te Ara Poutama at the AUT. The AUT, for international people listening in, is a university based in Auckland. So I wanted to talk about some of the quality of the papers, and you can hear that on KFM 89.8 Palmerston North, or go to www.irirangi.net and look for Kia Ora FM, that is KIAORA FM for those people listening overseas. And we are talking, or I am talking, about the quality, the sheer quality of some of these papers that were given. Just remarkable. And also giving a history of Kōwhiti over the last few years. And looking forward to next week, of course, which will be about looking forward in the world of dance and featuring Tanya from Dance. And it looks like it's going to be a very, very good week next week as well. But this is the last in Kōwhiti. I was lucky enough to be on Radio Wātea, the national Māori hookup during the week about it in Māori, and I was very, very pleased to talk to Erin Morgan about it then. And I know Tani Mahuta Gray has been speaking on the radio as well. So all in all, I think we've had quite good media coverage, and I just think that it has been a true zenith reached. It has been really, really a very, very high point in New Zealand culture, really. That's my own frank assessment of it. I was quite it might be a bit of a skite, but I don't care. I thought it was a really good situation in Kōwhiti this year, and a good summation of a lot of things. And once again, thanks to all the sponsors. They include the American Embassy. Big shout out to Dr. Dwayne McShane, who has been Dwayne McWayne, who has been a very, very good supporter, as has his staff been. And a huge shout out to Creative New Zealand and to Te Papa Tongarewa and Whitireia Polytechnic, and all people who sponsored Neil, I'm thinking about Neil and Te Ahuia Gray, everybody who sponsored Kōwhiti Atarau this year. You're with Peter Cleaver. I look forward to your company on www.irirangi.net, KIAORA FM.